Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the ULANZI GoPro case. So as you can see on the box here, this is a special GoPro case. It's not just a regular, cover for it. This actually allows you to have a microphone mounted and attached to your GoPro. Now, I don't have a mic for my GoPro yet, but I do want to get one in the future. So that's why I ended up getting this case on Amazon. So let's do the unboxing right now. It just came like this. And I have my GoPro here to try out as well. So there's nothing else in the box other than the actual case. Alright, so just feeling it. It looks pretty sturdy. It's plastic, but it looks like it's good quality plastic. And it's got a back cover here that you slide out. You slide it out just like that, and then you can place your GoPro inside. So I'll do that right now. So make sure that you remove your GoPro skeleton housing that it came out with so that it can fit inside the ULANZI case. Okay, so I got the case here, got the GoPro, and slide in really easily, and I'll put this back on. I believe it goes this way. And then there you go. It's in, so you have access to still the GoPro here for the touchscreen, and you've got the power button there, and then you've got, actually, with this slot right here, you can't that's for like the SD card and then the battery. You're gonna have to take it out of the case to access that. And you can see here on the top, it's got a mount, and you can either put a light or a microphone, as shown in the picture here. So I will be getting a microphone for this GoPro so that I can attach it on to this mount. So here's what it looks like attached to my GoPro monopod / tripod thing. I like this specific tripod because it can be a monopod, so you can hold it here as a selfie stick, and also it opens up to create a tripod. So I like that it can do both. It fits well on this, so if I have my microphone on this attached, then I can just tilt it like that and then use it as such. So overall, I'm pleased with the look and the design. The back cover slid off easily, and it doesn't seem like it's going to like fall off or slide off or anything like that, and then the GoPro like fall out accidentally. So it's like clipped in as well. So I will be creating another video when I have a GoPro mic for my camera, and then I can try the whole setup out and then show you guys in detail what it's going to look like with this case. So if you are interested in checking out this GoPro case, you guys can head down to the description below, as I will have the Amazon links for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.